let me show you something. I'll show you something if I get it. You know what a calabash is?
Yeah.
A calabash,
It's
a gourd. I don't know if I'm spelling it right. A gourd.
It's like a gourd and it's been dried out.
Yes. So in the Caribbean, when we used to distill,
You use it in Africa as well, isn't it?
yes. So this is my gourd. This is a small one. This is a small. You know, they come out 25 liters. They get quite big, very big. Imagine this as one complete vessel. I don't have the complete vessel, but let's make it a complete vessel. Just because, okay, this is a gourd. So you see how strong this is. I'm squeezing this as hard as I can. So you know it's one full fruit. So imagine this is a gourd. It's not, but imagine this is a full fruit here. After slavery, at the end of slavery, well, hopefully the supposedly end of slavery. The way we used to, the gourd used to be our utensil. It used to be our pot, our pan. It used to be the plate. It used to be the storage. Everything, storage. Everything was done in this, including distilling.
Okay.
So what happened is this is a full gourd. You know, it hangs from the tree from here. A hole will be put through here. It would be all the insides. You know, that's not edible. That'll be scooped up, and you get it nice and clean on the inside. Once that's clean, you get a bamboo. Let's use this Sharpie. You get a bamboo, and the clever thing that most people don't even understand, the science behind the bamboo. You know, each bamboo has the different levels there. Okay. And each of them blocks through. So you poke a hole through, but you leave the top one sealed, but you leave a little extra space at the top here. That's for later, I'll talk about that. So that would go at the top, and that would get sealed here with clay. You know why clay?
Because it can breathe.
You don't want it to breathe. You're losing rum. You don't want it to breathe because if you're losing rum, if it breathes, it's no good.
Right,
so clay is self-healing.
Okay.
It's self-healing. So the inside stays wet, the outside is dry. So every time it tries to get dry, the vapors hit it on the inside. It hardens the outside, but the inside stays nice and malleable, so it doesn't leak. So the vapors of your rum vapors never escape.
Okay, wow.
So everything will be sealed.
Everything is just
natural
everything in there.
So the bamboo would go here. Also, the orientation of the bamboo matters. Because these little shells inside the bamboo, it's concave. Every single one is concave. Concave and down gives more reflux. So reflux is when rum hits a surface, how much it drops back down. Micro distillations within the bamboo itself. So it will cause reflux, causing the vapors to fall back in, making a stronger rum going up. So that's here. We seal that with bamboo. We seal that with clay. Just say that's the top of the bamboo. This is the last shelf here. Just below that last shelf, we'll add another piece of bamboo. And in relation to this size, the length of bamboo will be about this length. It will be quite long. And then we'll seal everywhere with clay also. Okay. The reason why bamboo, because it's self-condensing. So the vapors will go up. It will, whatever those with low ABV will drop back down. The good rum will go through the the bamboo, and as it's going down, bamboo is self-condensing. It's quite a cool plant. It keeps everything cool. So as it travels its way down to the end of the bamboo, it turns back down into liquid, and then you collect your rum at the end. Another thing about it is, you don't need to have any water circulation to cool it down or anything. Everything works with it. And that's how my ancestors distill on the plantation in the Caribbean. And this is it. And then the reason I leave the top shelf to help reflux. All you're doing is filling that with water. Every time it dries down or almost dries down, you add more water, and it forces more reflux to come down.
That's crazy.
That's literally
all of that from the gourd.
all that from the gourd. And everything, if you notice, everything I spoke about there is all natural. Bamboo, clay, and the gourd. Nothing, no complexities. You know who the bamboo man is. Nature. All natural. You know who the bamboo man is, all because he'll have the big shed, and you'll just see the long length of bamboo running from the shed. You're thinking it's guttering, but he's making rum.
Okay, wow.
We call him the bamboo man, the bamboo man.